ይኸውልሽ ቤቲ በእንግሊዘኛ እስቲ ቆፍጠን እንበልበኝ።
Suck it up.
Again?
Suck it up.
Nice. Okay.
Suck it up.
Suck it up! Suck it up!
Okay. ከዛ ደግሞ ልሸኝህ በኝ እስቲ ልሸኝህ።
I will walk you out.
I'll walk you out.
I will walk you out.
Nice.
I'll walk you out.
I'll walk you out.
እሺ ነግሬህ ነበር እስቲ ነግሬህ ነበር።
I told you so.
Again?
I told you so.
Okay.
I told you so.
I told you so.
ከዛ ደግሞ ሌሊቱን ሙሉ አልተኛውም ስትይሳ።
I was up all night.
Again.
I was up all night.
ለነሱስ?
I was up all night.
Yes, I was up all night. አልቻልኳትም።
I was up all night.
እሺ ድምጽህን ቀንስ በያቸው እስቲ ድምጽህን ቀንስ።
Keep your voice down.
Yes.
Keep your voice down.
የሆነ ቦታ ማቅህ ይመስለኛል ማለት ስፈልግ ስለነሱ የሆነ ቦታ ማቅህ ይመስለኛል።
ይሄን እናንተ ታግዙኝ።
ሰምታችኋታል እንግዲህ ኮመንት ላይ በእንግሊዘኛ የሆነ ቦታ አውቃለሁ መሰለኝ እንዴት እንደምትሉ ትነግሩኛላችሁ።